log jam was 10 feet high, but I took out the middle of it and we pruned 2 branches on this big tree. And the pour over is the crotch between the bowl of the tree and the upturned root crown. I let a bunch of sediment, I pulled it out and put it on the bank, and then I started a head cut. Now a lot of sediment is moving, and that sediment is filling down there above my next downstream check dam. Check it out, Dred. My pour over is flowing evenly all the way across the top, and I'm backing water all the way up to my other structure, and the waterfall now is only 0.75 feet. That structure raised the water surface elevation 2 feet, and the one below it raised the water surface elevation 1.3 feet. San Vicente Creek with the fabulous Allison Civic of Grip. And we're astonished. We planted those willows last year, and they're stabilizing a point bar. June 27th, 2024, Agave Arroyo, tributary of San Vicente Creek. Town got a pretty good dumping about an hour ago, and we're looking at the leading edge, basically, of a sort of a flash flood coming down Agave Arroyo. All the check dams have caused backwater pools to form, and all this water is going to be soaking into the ground. We're pretty happy. This is the willow baffle on San Vicente Creek. Part of my pour over of the boulder grade control below Roberts Crossing is now exposed. This is probably due to Monday's storm. The grade control below Roberts Crossing, Monday, August 26th, 6 p.m.